Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 1 question number 5. Let g of x equals to 1 minus x and h of x equals to x divide x minus 1. Then g of h of x divide h of g of x is, and 4 options are given. It's from composition of function. First I will solve g of h of x. What is h of x? It's x divide x minus 1. So g of, in place of h of x, I will write x divide x minus 1. Next, what is g of x? G of x equals to 1 minus x. Just consider this whole as a x. So g of x will be 1 minus x. So it will be 1 minus x divide x minus 1. Now simplify it. It's x minus 1 and here x minus 1 minus x. X will be cancelled. Minus 1 divide x minus 1. We found g of h of x. Next we will find h of g of x. What is g of x? G of x is 1 minus x. So h of 1 minus x. What is h of x? It's x divide x minus 1. So it will be 1 minus x divide 1 minus x minus 1. It will be 1 minus x divide minus x. So now we found h of g of x. We found both numerator and denominator. Now we'll divide. So g of h of x divide h of g of x means minus 1 divide x minus 1 divide 1 minus x divide minus x. So this part will go up. So it will be minus 1 divide x minus 1 multiplication minus x divide 1 minus x. So minus 1 multiplication minus x, it will be x divide x minus 1 multiplication 1 minus x. Now this x divide x minus 1, it is equivalent to h of x, and 1 minus x, it is equivalent to g of x. So we can write h of x divide g of x. This whole is h of x and this is our g of x. So it's present in option A. So answer will be option A. H of x divide g of x. I already discussed function. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.